Admit this, that they have really helped us in designing this complete logo. You can see it goes really well with the theme of our building. It looks really nice. They have helped us completely right from beginning, right from designing of the logo to showing us the sample. Even we had a very narrow kind of budget to make this really good look. They have really helped us, gave us a real good price, and as you can see, it looks really nice. The finishing is excellent. And I would like to recommend each and every person who wants to put up this kind of signage in their building. There's only one solution. It is Signage Mumbai Opt-in. That's the solution for all your problems. Cheers, guys.